High above, a majestic silhouette circles gracefully, its wings spread wide, catching the rising air currents. This is the turkey vulture, a bird often misunderstood and even feared, yet crucial to our ecosystems. They play a vital role as nature's janitorial crew, unsung heroes of the skies, ensuring the health of our environment. Their distinctive silhouettes are a familiar part of the landscape. The turkey vulture's diet might not be the most appetizing for us, but it's essential for a healthy ecosystem. These birds are obligate scavengers, meaning their survival depends entirely on finding and consuming carrion. They are equipped with a digestive system that's uniquely adapted to handle the challenges of this diet, even thriving on meat that would be toxic to other animals. Their stomachs are highly acidic, effectively breaking down bacteria and toxins that would be lethal to other scavengers. This remarkable adaptation allows them to safely consume carrion in various stages of decomposition, making them highly efficient cleaners of the environment. Imagine a world without scavengers like the turkey vulture. Carcasses would accumulate, becoming breeding grounds for bacteria and diseases. The potential for outbreaks would increase, threatening not only wildlife but also human health. Turkey vultures, through their unique dietary habits, prevent this grim scenario from becoming a reality. They are the ultimate recyclers, returning nutrients to the ecosystem and ensuring a healthy balance within the food web. Turkey vultures are true masters of the sky, renowned for their effortless soaring and ability to stay aloft for hours with minimal effort. They have perfected the art of gliding, utilizing rising columns of warm air called thermals to gain altitude. Their broad wings, spanning up to 6 feet, are perfectly designed to catch these rising currents. Observing a turkey vulture in flight is a captivating experience. They rarely flap their wings, instead relying on their keen eyesight and understanding of air currents to stay aloft. They circle gracefully, their wings held in a shallow V-shape, effortlessly riding the thermals. Their featherless heads serve a hygienic purpose, minimizing contact with bacteria while feeding. This unique adaptation further enhances their ability to thrive on a diet of carrion. They are a testament to the power of natural selection, perfectly adapted to their ecological niche. Section 4. A nose for nature's bounty, the power of scent. Unlike many other birds, turkey vultures possess a highly developed sense of smell. This remarkable adaptation plays a crucial role in their ability to locate food, even in dense forests or over vast landscapes. While soaring high above, they can detect the faintest odor of ethyl mercaptan, a gas released during the early stages of decomposition. This keen sense of smell allows them to pinpoint carrion with remarkable accuracy, often arriving at a carcass before other scavengers. They are nature's detectives, using their powerful noses to uncover hidden feasts. Their reliance on scent is particularly advantageous in areas with dense vegetation, where visual cues might be limited. They can detect carrion hidden beneath the forest canopy, ensuring that no potential food source goes unnoticed. This ability further solidifies their role as nature's cleanup crew, efficiently locating and removing decaying matter from the environment. Section 5. Fascinating facts about turkey vultures. Let's delve into some fascinating facts about these incredible creatures. Did you know that turkey vultures often urinate on their legs as a cooling mechanism? This behavior, known as urohydrosis, helps them regulate their body temperature, especially in hot climates. And here's another intriguing tidbit. Turkey vultures practice communal roosting, gathering in large groups at night. These roosts can sometimes number in the hundreds, offering safety in numbers and a place to share information about potential food sources. Their conservation status is a testament to their adaptability and resilience. They are listed as least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, indicating that their populations are currently stable. However, it's crucial to remember that even the most adaptable creatures are vulnerable to habitat loss and other human-induced threats. Section 6. Guardians of the ecosystem, appreciating the turkey vulture. In the grand tapestry of life, the turkey vulture might not be the most glamorous creature, but it's undoubtedly one of the most essential. They are the guardians of our ecosystems, diligently working behind the scenes to keep our environment clean and disease-free. Their ability to thrive on carrion, their mastery of flight, and their keen sense of smell all contribute to their vital role in maintaining ecological balance. As we marvel at the beauty and diversity of the natural world, let's not forget to appreciate the often overlooked contributions of the turkey vulture. Their presence is a reminder that every creature, no matter how seemingly insignificant, plays a crucial role in the intricate web of life. Let's celebrate the turkey vulture, nature's unsung hero, and strive to protect these remarkable creatures for generations to come.